How to fix playlist not showing. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix playlist not showing. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the playlist that we're talking about is actually the playlist on YouTube. So the first method that you can use is to head over to your YouTube account, and then from in there you can see the YouTube app right here. Long press on that, click on app info, and from in there just reset or delete the data. So just click on data usage right here, and you can also see this data usage. So you can just actually see that, and you can also disable the data or disable the Wi-Fi. Then after that, just actually turn it off, and this should resolve your issue. The next thing you can do is to head over to your storage usage, click on clear cache, and click on clear data also, and click on OK. And then this will clear the data of your YouTube, and your playlist should be back and running again. However, if that doesn't solve your issue, what you can do next is to just head over and from this right here, and if you see an uninstall updates, then you can click on that. But since I don't have mine right there, then you can do so on your phone if you have that option, and just click on that and restart your phone. Then after that, just head over to your Play Store. So let's head over to my Play Store, and let's search for YouTube right here. And from in there, just click on YouTube and click on update if you can see an update button right there. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix playlist not showing. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.